Today, we will see very important exam questions on applications of HCF. Under that, we will see equal distribution, that is, dividing items equally. Example, 48 biscuits and 60 chocolates are to be distributed equally into pockets. Find the maximum number of pockets and the items in each pocket. Step 1. Find the maximum number of pockets. Since the items are to be shared or distributed equally, we need to find the HCF of 48 and 60. Let us find the HCF of 48 and 60 by common division method. Start dividing 48 and 60 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both 48 and 60 exactly, we get 24 and 30. Again, start dividing 24 and 30 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both 24 and 30 exactly, we get 12 and 15. Again, start dividing 12 and 15 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide both 12 and 15 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides both 12 and 15 exactly, we get 4 and 5. Observe, we should stop here since no other prime number can divide both 4 and 5 simultaneously. Got it? Finally, multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2 and 3. So, HCF of 48 and 60 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 12. Therefore, maximum number of pockets are 12. Got it? Step 2. Find the items in each pocket. We know that the maximum number of pockets are 12. So, total biscuits divided by number of pockets, that is 48 divided by 12 gives you 4 and remainder is 0. Similarly, total chocolates divided by number of pockets, that is 60 divided by 12 gives you 5 and remainder is 0. Therefore, maximum number of pockets are 12. Each pocket gets 4 biscuits and 5 chocolates. Also, nothing is left over. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more such tricky questions, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.